Hello and welcome to W Dubai the Palm, which is on the Palm Island in Dubai. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my fabulous room. It's called a fabulous room. That's not necessarily my opinion. You can make up your own mind. So we've just walked into the open plan bathroom. I would personally prefer if there was a door sealing it off, but we don't have that. I'm taking you into the very large shower, amazing water pressure, Momo brand toiletries, of which I am unfamiliar, or which I'm unfamiliar with. Toilet to the left, which you don't need to see. I'm over there, single vanity unit. I also like that they have got face cream or cleansing face gel or whatever they call it as one of their amenities. There I am in the mirror, plenty of storage throughout. Then you have this very nice, in terms of space and layout, integrated junior suite plan. Quickly, I'll mention as well, I'm a luxury travel journalist, but I'm also a travel advisor who gets various perks and upgrades when I book hotels like this. So if you are interested, feel free to message. Bed is quite firm, but fully comfortable. TV over there. I'll quickly show you the minibar. It's worth knowing that drinks here, by its own admission, are chilled rather than cold. So if you want them to be really refreshing for your beer or Pepsi or whatever, you're gonna have to get an ice bucket. Taking you out to the balcony, it's a really, really big size. You have a little day bed over there. And this is room 1006 on the first floor. It overlooks the kids' pool or family area. You have an adults only pool further over in that direction, and then the beach immediately there. And it's another beautiful sunny day in Dubai. So there you have it, your quick tour.